Are you wondering how you can earn money just by copy and pasting images on the internet? With this method, it's completely possible. You can earn as much as $90 per hour. Imagine how much money you'll be making. If you're interested, make sure to stay tuned to this video from start to finish so you won't miss any important details. Don't worry, because this method is available worldwide and is absolutely free. You don't have to invest or sell anything yourself. Make sure you have your smartphone, laptop, or computer with you to make this method work. Without delaying any further now, let's get into the video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. For today's video, the website that we will be focusing on is called Zazzle. What exactly is this website all about? It is a people-powered design platform, meaning Zazzle is a technological-based company with over 100 patents. In terms of ecosystem, Zazzle is filled with diverse people, including customers, designers, makers, brands, and partners. All are connected on a daily basis through content, community, and commerce. When it comes to designing your own content, Zazzle offers their easy navigating website that has the ability to help you create your own designs effortlessly. The best part about this website is that once you publish your own designs, it can be sold as physical products like mugs, shirts, gift cards, and many more. You don't have to do the selling yourself because Zazzle will automatically do it for you. In this method, you basically generate income passively through the help of Zazzle. To give you an example of what products they sell, I want you to click the search bar at the top of the home page. Click the second category which says Products. Upon doing so, you will be able to get a preview of the different products that people created on their own through the use of Zazzle's designer tool. If you're wondering what that is, make sure to keep watching this video as I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to navigate and use it. As you can see here, the most popular products featured on Zazzle right now are all about the upcoming holiday season. There's a gift card here, Christmas decors, gift wraps, and even holiday shirts. What we want to do is create a product to sell on Zazzle. From here on, I'll be showing you how to sign up for a free account on Zazzle. To do so, just simply click on the blue register button above. It will show you a pop-up where you can automatically sign in with a single click by connecting your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. You can also manually sign up for an account on Zazzle by filling in your email address and password. By doing all these, you now have your account to be able to create and sell on Zazzle. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Zazzle is also available on your smartphone devices. It is also available on Android and iOS devices, so if you don't have any laptop or computer to do this method, you can just simply download the application from your phone's app store. Now that you have your account, from the same search bar that we clicked a while ago, simply look for the Create Your Own option among the categories. It will take you to a page where you can access their design tool for free. To start creating your designs, just simply select the button which says Start Creating. Now, one thing I love about Zazzle is that they actually have their own done-for-you templates, which you can just tweak to your own liking. On the left side, you can browse different templates to use. As an example, I'll be using this one. Say I'm selling an invitation card for the holiday season. I can customize this card to my own liking. Here, I can change the color of the text by looking at the right side. I can change it however I want. I can also change the font style if I want to. On the left side, you can see different categories like elements, icons, and background. Say you want to change the background to red. You can do that by clicking the red square right here. Now it's red. I also feel like adding more ornaments to the card. To do so, just click on the Icons category on the left side. Search for the Ornaments option. I'll just simply click on this icon and resize it like this. Then change the color to white so it will fit the rest of the occurring elements on the card. It's pretty easy, right? With Zazzle's design tool, you can easily customize your designs and even choose from done-for-you templates. Once you're done with your product, just simply download your design to save it to your computer. As always, I want to give you guys bonus tips to earn more money. For this website, it's completely possible to earn twice or even thrice the amount of money by going to their homepage. Once you're on their homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the site and look for the text which says Refer a Friend. Zazzle's referral system allows you to get $25 for every friend that you refer. As you can see here, they tell you how it works. First, you have to share your custom link on social media via email or text. Then again, each friend that you refer gets the fabulous deal of 60% off cards and invites, plus 20% off all other products on their first order of $25 or more. The best part about this is that you can get a $25 off coupon code to use on Zazzle once your friend's order ships. Isn't that cool? Now to proceed, just simply type your email address on the blank right here, then press enter. You'll then get your unique referral link to share to your social media. You can share it on your Facebook or even Twitter accounts. And by doing this method, along with Zazzle's referral system, you can instantly earn so much in a single day. You can do this over and over to earn as much money as you would like. Just remember that putting these two together will maximize your income on this website. Good luck!
Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.